I've had a number of folks ask for an update as far as the vacuum issue I was finding with my Q7. This is a 2007 that had a blown motor on it. I put a newer motor with a different wiring harness and incidentally also a different vacuum booster on it. This car came with a electronically activated vacuum booster, and the motor, the replacement motor that I got for it, came with the mechanical one on the back of the head. So I'll just go over quickly kind of what I ended up doing, the part, along with the part number that I ended up having to order, and how I got it to function. I've had about 75,000 miles on this without any real issues. It's been running like a champ, no problem. So we'll come over here to the side of the head. Again, we have our 3 ports. This one used to be, I believe it was a leak detection pump that used to be connected to this. This piece right here, this is actually the piece that you're going to want to order. I'll give you the part number in just a moment. And then this one back here goes through the firewall to the, I think there's a vacuum block somewhere. I can't remember exactly where, but anyway, so this is the part that you're going to want to order. I got this off of a Touareg. I'll give you that part number, but this goes in and essentially removes, you will have had a vacuum line connected to an electronic actuator valve that came forward. It actually would have also had a reference plug coming here on the intake. You see this is capped off now. That's no longer being used. So this whole piece right here, the T that goes down right here, comes and connects to this. This is what goes to the vacuum booster that's on the back of the head. Get down here so you can see the part number. Try to get the part number there for you guys. But that part number is, you can see 7L6611 918, and it's a K down there, a K. And so this one connects directly to your vacuum booster. One of the keys for that vacuum booster is, along with the question that I had, this reference point used to come across, and it would come across and actually plugged in here to the intake elbow. And what you see here is now pulling a reference not from the intake elbow, but this piece comes down and plugs into the top of the, there's a 90-degree boot on top of the mechanical vacuum booster. So let me see if I can get you guys down there to see that, so you can kind of see it at least. Apologize for the change in orientation, but as you can see here, this right here, underneath my finger there, is a boot from the vacuum that goes on top of the vacuum booster. And you can see coming up, this is that little reference line that's wiggling now. That little reference vacuum is what goes following that up. Goes right here to this elbow that I have here that used to be teed off, pulling the reference from right over there. So now it's pulling the reference from the top corner boot on the vacuum booster there, as you can see. And that line over here where my fingernail is, going back along, is the piece from the Touareg that I had to purchase in order to be able to get this vacuum system to work. So hopefully that helps you. If you've got any questions, post them in the comments. Sorry it took me so long to get this out. Seems like there are a number of guys who are trying to do a swap like this, but that's what I figured. I'm running the whole wiring harness that came with the motor plugged into my ECU, and then I did have to go get this vacuum booster coated out over at the dealer. I'm not good enough with VCSD to do that, but anyway, so it's been running. I got 76,000 miles on it since I did the swap, and it's been working, so hopefully that helps.